Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So on the gold market, the situation hasn't changed as significantly as on the euro currency. So market also shows the pullback, but since the initial drop here was stronger than on the currency market, currently this action is not as evident and not that brings some obvious conclusion that this is some bullish performance compared to the euro. At the same time, since we have on the euro some reasons to stay aside from taking the new shorts position, it makes sense on the gold market to do the same. So although the setup that we talked about recently is still valid and theoretically it's not forbidden to trying to do this, but on the euro currency its overall performance stands so that, well, it's not really very inspiring for taking the new short position. We suggest that in the euro currency it might be another upward spike, whether it will be just to the daily target or it will be more extended action, whatever it will be, based probably on the numbers that we should get. So it will be tomorrow the PPI numbers and CPI and Fed meeting on Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's could make impact on the gold market. Despite that, in general, the gold market still keeps the short-term bullish context. We have bearish trend on the daily chart, divergence, collapse. And actually, our retracement here also stands just below the 618 level. So overall bearish setup is not broken, but just taking in consideration the situation in the euro currency and then makes the decision. If it doesn't confuse you, then it's probably you could trying to trade this. Maybe you will be right, and indeed market will start forming. So on the follow time frame chart, actually another reason why it maybe makes sense to wait is starting with the upward action trend has turned bullish here on the follow time frame chart, and market turns up precisely from the point that's very comfortable to form the third drive in place. So as you can see, retracements and extensions of these retracements fits perfectly to each other and create the target for the free drive pattern around 1823 approximately. And this pattern is still valid, so it could be formed. It's another reason why we think that it's probably makes sense to wait. Actually, about this pattern we talked a lot, but I just mean in light of the recent changes in the euro currency. It just brings some more chance for the bulls, and this pattern just getting additional support from the cross-market analysis. So on the hourly chart, here's what we've got. So this free drive, 222 pattern has worked, but later triangle that we suggest that should be broken down if market indeed is bearish. It has not been broken down. It's turning up, and market right now is coming to the 618 level. So that will be very important level that will clarify everything. So this agreement, this ABCD XOP target that potentially could give us larger guardrails, cheaper to sell, right? But also this is last reasonable level that, well, bearish market could accept. So because this is 618 resistance and XOP agreement. For the bearish market, price should not break it up. So it could test it. It will be more or less acceptable for the bearish context, but the breakout of this level, it will be not acceptable. It means that the suggestion about this is the bearish market and the market should go lower will be wrong. So at this point, this setup will be destroyed if market will break the 618 level and move above the XOP. And that breakout will be in favor of this pattern and reaching of the third drive. And in this case, all this performance agrees with our suggestion on the euro currency. And that's why currently, I don't know, guys, whether you would like to take the short position right at the XOP. So you could just watch what will happen if market will test and start dropping, forming here some pattern. Let's say this will be hand and shoulders, minor hand and shoulders, or the butterfly here might be formed. You could try to do this because you definitely should get the chance to move stops to the break even, if even later market will reverse up. For the bulls, you need to just wait and see what will happen. In the case of the breakout, it will be possible to consider taking the long position. So that's what we have currently on the gold.